Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about how 3D printing is helping Denmark achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, creates objects layer by layer using digital designs. Denmark is using this technology to improve healthcare, manufacturing, construction, and environmental sustainability. 3D printing allows companies to quickly create products while using less material than traditional manufacturing. Instead of cutting away material, it builds objects only where needed, making production more efficient and reducing waste. What is 3D printing? 3D printing, also called additive manufacturing, is a technology that creates three-dimensional objects by building them layer by layer from digital designs. One important use of 3D printing in Denmark is healthcare. Hospitals and researchers use 3D printing to create customized prosthetics, dental devices, surgical models, and medical tools. These personalized solutions improve patient care while lowering production costs. This supports SDG 3, good health and well-being. When is 3D printing used? Denmark also uses 3D printing in advanced manufacturing. Companies rapidly produce prototypes and replacement parts and specialized equipment. This helps businesses innovate faster while reducing production time and material waste. This supports SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Where is 3D printing used? 3D printing is used in hospitals, universities, manufacturing facilities, construction sites, renewable energy industries, and research laboratories. 3D printing is beginning to transform construction by producing building components more efficiently and with less waste. Using only the required materials helps reduce construction waste while making building projects more sustainable. This contributes to SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, and SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Why is 3D printing important? 3D printing helps Denmark reduce manufacturing waste, lower production costs, improve healthcare, support clean and sustainable industries, reduce transportation emissions through local production, and use benefits contribute to several United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Another advantage of 3D printing is reducing carbon emissions. Producing products closer to where they are needed decreases transportation requirements and helps lower greenhouse gas emissions. Using only necessary materials also reduces waste, supporting SDG 13, climate action. How does 3D printing help achieve the SDGs? 3D printing supports SDG 3, good health and well-being, because it produces customized prosthetics, dental devices, and medical models. SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, because it encourages advanced manufacturing and technological innovation. SDG 11, because sustainable cities and communities, it enables sustainable construction and efficient building methods. SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, it uses only the necessary material, reducing waste. SDG 13, climate action, it reduces emissions by producing products locally and minimizing transportation. Overall, Denmark shows how 3D printing can improve healthcare, strengthen manufacturing, reduce waste, and promote sustainability. As technology continues to advance, 3D printing will likely play an even greater role in helping countries achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. Thank you for watching. Can you guess which statement was the lie? Leave your answer in the comments.